dream. I dreamt that I was in a crate, and then I woke up only to find that I actually was in a crate. Why is it so dark in here? But then I realized I was still dreaming, so I woken up from that dream and found out I really was in a crate. But you see, even the time I hadn't really woken up at all, I still was dreaming. A dream within a dream within a dream. Man, this table's gotten cramped. Anyway, so then I had woken up and I had thought
You
that I was
are in a crate.
what? In a crate?